Hit. Punch it. Out the kick.
Do slap. Again kick. Nice. Nice.
Hey.
What happened, Malar? Why are your eyes teary?
Uncle, I've been cheated. The Roja TV comparer, Prem.
Dear, you don't worry. Don't cry. I will come to Chennai with you.
It's enough, sister.
You're my darling, right? Just a little more. Please. Just a little more.
Madam, coffee.
Keep it there, Bhavani auntie. I'll take it later.
Madam, I will take care of Alda's school things.
Tell like that, Bhavani Amma. Sister, do you need all this?
Hey, I am everything for you, okay?
Your father and mother, on the way to Tirupati, met an accident and died. After that, ask like as a mother, Anida's everything, you will take her. Do a marriage immediately, madam.
If I leave, sister will become grandmother. I want to find a groom for sister soon. Not only that, I will select brother-in-law.
You just study well and become an IAS officer. That's my goal. Even for my business license, I have to come to you. Apart from that, this marriage, family, I don't want any of these. With this business and factory, I will live my life like this.
Do you love me so much, sister?
Come, it's getting late for school. Come.
Get ready, daughter. And take the lunch box also.
Let's go.
Bye, Bhavani Amma.
What bro, power cut happened, they don't turn on generator. I can't hear it.
Brother, this is Roja TV, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's go inside.
Yes, okay.
Come, Mala, let's go inside.
Yes.
Can I meet Ramki brother?
He's on leave, madam.
Can you please give me his number?
I don't know his number. I'll ask the staff and let you know.
Okay.
Hello, Kamala. Can you please come to the reception?
Good morning, madam. I came to talk about Prem, madam. I told him a lot of times about this. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. But he never listened me. The decision is in your hands. Please take the right decision, madam.
Sir, she has come looking for Prem.
Brother, do you know where Ramki brother is? Please don't tell like that. I want to talk to him about an important matter. Can you please give me his number? Answer replied. Brother, I'm Malarkudi speaking from Paramati Velur.
Tell me.
I need to meet Prem.
I already told you that he is jobless now. Why are you doing like
I've come
this?
traveling 400 kilometers. I need to meet him somehow. I'm 3 months pregnant. Prem cheated me telling he'll marry me. Now he's going to marry somebody else. I saw that in newspaper. Please help us, brother. Give me Prem's number. Please, brother,
Oh, no.
please.
I am really so worried about you. I will talk to him and bring him to you. Come near to Binny Mill. We will wait there.
Uncle, do you know where Binny Mill is?
Yes, I know.
Okay, then come fast.
Okay, brother, I'll come. Please come, uncle.
We'll go.
Madam, you asked
Come,
me to come.
Ranjit. I was waiting for you only.
Tell me, madam.
The girl that you had loved, Prem ruined her also. In the same way that he ruined my sister's life also. Not only us, a lot of families like us have been ruined because of that Prem. We have to put an end to this. There is no choice. Go bring him no matter where he is. Go!
Madam, you said it now, right? I will kidnap him now. I will kidnap. I told him to come here, but he didn't come yet. Does he has any other plans?
Hey Malar, he reached finally.
I thought I got rid of Malar, but she came with her uncle. It must be Ramki's work. Bloody bastard. Hey! 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 Hey!
Kidnapping.
What are you doing? Leave me! Hey! What are you doing? Please leave me! Hey! Come! Please! Somebody help me!
Come fast.
Go fast!
Go, go, go. You are finished. Just wait.
Leave me! Go faster, you will.
Go fast. Go fast. Go fast. Bring him.
Leave me! Hey, Ranjit! Hey,
Hey,
what are you doing?
See who is there.
Hey,
Go.
leave me, Ranjit!
Hey, what is this? Hey, what is he showing? Hey, what is he doing? Huh? Here is the change.
Leave me!
Hey, leave her, man.
Hey, hey, get him into the car. Hey, 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 go fast.
Hey, leave me. Hey.
You rascal. Bring him out.
Come on.
Leave me. Leave me. Hey. Hey.
Keep quiet.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Leave me. Say. Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Madam.
Here is it, madam.
Madam.
Do you recognize her?
Good morning. Now, our Kandasamy Contrast College and Matriculation School Annual and Sports Days, the main Roja TV's anchor, Mr. Prem, you are most welcome here in our school's shot put competition. The first winner is S. Anita. She is most welcome on the stage. Anita.
Congrats. This is my personal number. We'll talk. Huh? Congrats. Great. So proud of you.
Prem sir, you are most welcome on the mic.
Hi. Thank you. I have been to many school functions, but I have never seen a super sports girl like Anita here. Anyway, thanks for calling me here. Especially thanks for Anita. Bye.
This is Anita, Prem.
Thank you for calling me.
You gave me your personal number. What is the matter?
Nothing, Anita. Since I saw you in school, I'm just thinking about your beauty and talent.
What? My beauty? Do you have time to think about me?
What are you asking? I'm always thinking about you.
What are you saying? I don't understand.
You can't understand now. You will understand as time goes.
What do you mean by that?
If you have trust on me, come and wait for me at Adayar bus stand after your school time. I will come and pick up you.
I'm so scared, Prem sir.
Why are you scared when I'm here?
Okay, Prem, I will wait for you.
Yes. School girl fall in my trap today. Come on, Anita. Come on. Just come. Hey, give it to me. Have your seat.
I will try.
Anita, let me tell you something. If you come to act in a TV show, you will be a rock star.
Are you telling the truth?
I swear.
Why did you bring me to this place? I feel lonely.
We are going to search something new in this lonely place only.
I don't understand.
See, in TV media, if you want to act in front of many people, you should get rid of the shyness. There are some exercises for that. I am going to teach you now.
What is that exercise?
Ha! Very good. Just listen to me. This is not the exercise that PT master teaches in school. It's Prem's exercise.
Is it?
Yes. In our body, there are 3 parts named A, B and C. You know when if I do it practically.
Hey, somebody has kidnapped a girl here.
Yes, bro.
Whatever said is right.
Hey,
look at
I'll
it.
get it, bro, right
Hey,
now.
there's gold also.
Hey, leave her.
Leave me.
Hey, I will call the police.
Hey, we are the
Show me
police
the
man.
face. Brother is here. Hey, I seen you
Why are
somewhere.
you wasting your time, bro? Hey, I'll kill you. Go away, man.
Hey,
Hey.
go. Hey,
hey,
stop
hey.
it. Hey, go, hurry.
Do you know what happened after that?
Hey, stop.
stop.
Hey,
Hey,
I said
stop
you
that.
stop.
Hey,
Don't run. Stop.
Go, fast. Hey, stop! Hey, stop!
Catch her.
Hey!
Hey, today I got a gem, man. I will go the first.
Yes, brother. Enjoy.
Sister, I can't do it, sister. Sister, sister.
Madam, sorry, madam. I feel very bad that such a sad incident in your family. I don't know what to say, madam. If you permit me, I will file an FIR and arrest them all.
No, don't put it. I'll give you as much money as you want. I'll take care of everything. Come. I spared you just because I was waiting for this day. Today, my sister's soul is going to rest in peace.
Oh God, please don't kill him. Please don't harm him.
Who are you?
I am Malarkudi.
And why are you here?
I seek justice from Prem.
What justice?
I'm carrying a child. Please forgive him. For the sake of this child.
Forgiveness? A person like him who cheats innocent girls? He should be shot dead in the middle of the road. He didn't just get you pregnant. A lot of other women also. There are many women in Tamil Nadu who are affected by him.
Let there be. So many people, but I'm the only one who came here. I'm the one who got cheated. I'm telling you, please leave him.
I can't spare him for you. You lost your virginity. But my sister, she was a minor child, an innocent child. He cheated her using love and took her to 4-5 rowdies who raped her and killed her. This monster!
Madam, 1 minute. I don't know whether I'm going to live or not. Malar, please forgive me. Madam, you too forgive me, madam.
Forgiveness? There should be no forgiveness for sinners like you. Do you even know what is the value of life? You are going to die only.
Please shoot me first and then shoot him.
Hey, he's not a good guy. He is a cheater. Don't argue for him.
Ranjit, she thinks she is Savitri from the epics.
I'm not Savitri from the epics. And you are not Yamadharma Raja too. I'm asking you as a woman. Please give him to me.
And what if I don't give him?
I will kill myself.
I don't care about that.
Sister, consider me as your younger sister. The child growing inside me should never grow without knowing his father. I'm swearing this on the land of Kaveri where I was born. I'm very young. I can't show some other man as a father to my child. I can't. Please spare him for my sake. Please, my sister, please.
Hey, you!
Hey!
Prem! Oh God! Prem! Prem!
Malar, you don't worry. This is the right punishment for all of my mistakes. Give my initial for child growing inside you. That's my wish. Just don't worry of any.
Nothing will happen to you. Prem! Prem! Oh God!
I need ice cream, Mom. That cup is, Mom. Mama, please, Mom. Please buy for me, Mom. Mom, please, Mom. Please,
Mom, please, Mom. Please, Mom.
Can't you listen to me?
Please
I'll get it
buy
for you
for us.
later.
That's Mother. Wait a minute. Let me check.
Please, Mom.
Don't
Mom.
buy anything for us.
Please, Mom. Mom, ice cream, Mom. Mom, please buy ice cream, Mom.
Ariva, how are you doing?
I'm actually great, Malar. Why both of them are crying?
Uncle, I asked a biscuit to Mom, Uncle. She was just having 30 rupees with her. With that, she purchased things, so she's not purchasing biscuit for us.
Uncle, I want ice cream, Uncle.
I will buy whatever you want, okay? Don't cry. Kamali, can you take the biscuit packet, please?
Looks like they are very poor. Does she and her kids need any help?
Do what I say. Just take that.
Here, take
What
this.
can we do? She spoiled her own life. God have to say only.
Take this. Don't cry, okay? You both share equally and eat, okay? Both of them are good, right?
Uncle, this much biscuit is for me, Uncle.
Thanks, Uncle.
Welcome, kiddo.
Thanks a lot, Uncle.
Malar, I can't see you in this situation. I can't bear it, Malar. Whenever you need any kind of help, don't hesitate to ask me, Malar. I'll do anything for you, Malar. Don't beat them. They are just kids. If your mother beats you, just tell to me, okay?
I will tell you, Uncle.
Okay, dear.
Is this your wife?
Yes, Malar. She's Kamali.
Hi.
Who is this?
She's my old friend.
You should definitely come to our house with the kids.
Yes, Malar. Definitely you should come.
I'll definitely come.
Shall I leave, Malar?
Brother, if they are unaware about it, we can correct them. Huh? But her whole life become messy. It is very difficult to take care of one child. How can I take care of this two child?
Yes, you are saying 100% correct.
Malarkodi, who dedicated herself to the man, who said he would be die by falling into the water, continues her life journey yet thrown in the society for the sake of two children she has given birth to.